Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to check your WordPress post word count. Actually, if you search for plugins, there are plenty of options that you can add for your word counts. For example, you can click plugins and then add new and then find for words count. See a lot of plugins available over there, but if you don't want to use plugin, because we know that if we install plugins makes our WordPress is heavy move, or it costs to the processor, to your server, and so on. So you just click post and then find which post you want to see the word count. This is from the table I get from plugins, and then instead of that you can click edit on your post, any post, and then here you can see on the left upper there is an option of uh, details. You just click details and then will be shown the words, 308 words, heading, blocks, and so on. So this is the words count on your WordPress. Really simple, really easy. I hope it's helpful for you. Thank you for watching.